Good morning, everyone. Thank you all who have managed to join us physically, and a special thanks to all of us who have joined us virtually on the virtual stage as well. We all have gathered here to share an exciting news with you all, which we believe will further strengthen our leadership in the health and nutrition domain, especially targeting women and youth of India. A global leader in the nutrition segment, Amway continues to solidify its leadership in the health and nutrition domain through consistent product innovation and the unique seed to supplement process. Nutrilite, the flagship brand of India of Amway, enjoys a successful legacy of over 80 years of pioneering and perfecting the plant-based approach to supplementation. Very excited to announce today I have three special guests with us. One, I would like to introduce Mr. Anshu Budraja, CEO of Amway India. I have with me Mr. Ajay Khanna, Chief Marketing Officer of Amway India, and a special guest. Over to you, Anshu.
Very good morning to everyone. Let me take a moment and first acknowledge all my media friends because throughout the last couple of years, everything was shut down, but we still had news coming in every day. You all, to my mind, have inspired the entire society with how selfless you all have been. Friends who have come here today, as well as all of you who have joined us digitally. To me, you really have made sure that our society, our community is looking at some new learnings, which is more towards awareness, self-care, preventive care, health, hygiene, fitness. So again, thankful for your partnership, for the contributions we have made to society at large during these difficult times. As was mentioned earlier, today is a very, very special day for us, and I'm honored and so privileged that I'm sharing this stage with none other than Miss Meerabai Chanu. Thank you, Meera, for coming here. Honestly, I feel she has not only made 1.4 billion people proud of her, but during these difficult times, she has brought hope. She's brought hope and smiles to our face. So that's just such a lovely feat, and I'm sure she and her family are so very proud of her. I just met her a little while ago, and I also heard her during some of the interactions she was having with all of you. To my mind, three things were very vivid about her, which was the purposeful life which she's leading. You know, no life is good unless it carries a special purpose, and dreaming big but achieving even more audacious goals. So I'm in hats off to her. Beyond the purposeful life, it is the passion. We all start, right? But very few finish the final mile. She has really shown and demonstrated that with passion, conviction, self-belief, how somebody can really excel in their life. And finally, pride. As a woman of tomorrow, the self-worth, the self-respect, the confidence she has, she is really inspirational to so many women and sports people. To my mind, she's just not a great sports person or a sports athlete. She's a great human being. So again, thankful for her being here. Again, like I said, she already embodies all the values of Amway, right? And we are so pleased that she will now become the face of Amway, the face of Nutrilite as our new brand ambassador. And honestly, it is a great fit for all of us. And I say that because Amway and Nutrilite also stand for micro-entrepreneurship, women empowerment, health, fitness, hygiene, and she also embodies all those principles which our brands embody. I'll close by saying that love is given, but trust and respect are earned. And she has really earned the trust and respect of each and every citizen of this country and made all women in this country proud. And that is also what Amway stands for. It has gained as the #1 brand globally as well as in India, and nutrition supplements which are strongest in the world. So I think both of them, when they come together, they are the best fit for all of us. And more than me, I think all our 550,000 distributors who do the Amway business, 60% are women. And they would love to meet her, greet her, and be inspired with her. So hats off to her accomplishments, but more important, a very, very bright future awaits all of us. And we thank her for her commitment to the nation and making us all proud. With that, I hand over the stage to Ajay, who is the Chief Marketing Officer.
Thank you, Anshu. What a pleasure to be here. We were checking, in fact, that is time changing? Is COVID behind us? And yeah, it is. But obviously, I think it's a way of life where we're kind of wearing masks and keeping the distance. But glad to see that few of us have made the effort to be in the room. I think this is a small break to normalization of life. I know it will take long. But equally glad to have all of you there virtually amongst us. It's a proud moment for us, obviously, and we really hope that you continue to be in best of health, and not only for yourself, but you and your families as well. I would like to personally congratulate, and I can tell you that we have been following Olympics since kids, and it's always been, okay, will we get another medal? Will we get it? And it takes enormous, I think, effort, talent, potential. So let me really congratulate Mirabai Chanu amongst us for winning the silver in the Olympics, and it's really made everyone proud. I think it's like from my nephews to my nieces to everybody I know to the people who support us. Everybody's so proud of your achievement, Mirabai. So you thank you for that. And obviously, like Anshu said, it gives me immense pleasure, and we welcome with open hearts and open hands Mirabai to join the Amway family, to represent, become the brand ambassador not only for the Amway but also its flagship brand Nutralite. Thank you for considering us, and I know it's not an easy choice, and it's a considered choice. And in fact, there were discussions, and we've really talking about the true vision which Amway is living to, which is helping people live healthy and better lives. I think it resonated with what Mirabai was thinking for yourself, and we heard enough stories around that, and we'll hear more as it unfolds. But I think she's joined us to make our force even stronger. Her unparalleled passion for fitness, and obviously her strong youth appeal. I can tell you, it's not youth, it's even kid appeal. So it's like such a strong appeal which she has. Actually, really resonates with Nutralite's cutting-edge offerings, which are truly developed by a blend of best of nature and best of science, targeted towards providing optimal health to one and all. And that's what Mirabai actually stands for. She really resonates and shows how. And when I looked at her, she seemed so petite, so small, but imagine doing the achievement she did. I was like, wow, she did that. On TV you don't realize, but when you meet in person, it's even bigger the achievement you get here. Considering Amway and Nutralite, they obviously stand for nutrition and wellness and fitness, and also along with that, passion and women empowerment, as Anshu spoke about. And that actually made it a very natural choice. So if you are asking why Mirabai Chanu, she has everything. She stands for the women empowerment, she stands for the passion, she stands for health, nutrition. Everything which Amway and Nutralite stands for is what Mirabai stands for. The partnership obviously is aligned towards working along with her to provide and be the leader in the health, wellness, fitness and the immunity space. And this is yet another step there. And the other fact that Anshu mentioned, that we have almost 60% of our distributor force who are women. They are actually the heart, the core of Amway. They are the wind beneath our wings, and today Mirabai Chanu joining that is only an extension of this very beautiful brand. Mirabai, we are so proud of you. We are all with you, and we wish you all the best even in the future, and look forward to partnering with you to bring better health to the entire India. With that, I would like to hand over to Mirabai to kind of say a few words. Mirabai.
सबसे पहले तो पूरा एमवे फैमिली को मेरा नमस्कार. Thank you so much एमवे फैमिली एंड ईच ब्रांच न्यूट्रलाइट इस एसोसिएशन के लिए. और मैं खुश हूँ एमवे मुझे सपोर्ट करेगा. और वैसे एथलीट के लिए ये हमारी लाइफ, पूरा एथलीट की लाइफ में ये राइट न्यूट्रिशन और सप्लीमेंट बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं. तो ये न्यूट्रिशन अभी मेरे साथ ही रहेगी. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ ये न्यूट्रिशन हमारे एमवे फैमिली को. तो बस मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी, बस थैंक यू सो मच एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. एंड सो आई एम हैप्पी टू बी पार्ट ऑफ द एमवे न्यूट्रलाइट एंड हमारी एमवे फैमिली को मेरी तरफ से थैंक यू सो मच.